Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. This is a short video as a memory. I went with my sister as guardian as আমার বোন কিছু ফ্যাসিলিটি পেয়েছিল গভর্নমেন্ট থেকে, তো সেইটার জন্যই আমি ওই অডিটোরিয়ামে জাস্ট গিয়েছিলাম as to receive that. এখানে এই ভিডিওটাতে আমি এগুলোই শো করব what I did in that particular day. এই ব্রিজটা হলো গিয়ে কুমার ভাস্কর বর্মা ব্রিজ, যেটা দিয়ে আমরা পাস হচ্ছি. Then we entered the auditorium. It was filled with school candidates from various schools were present at that auditorium. In that moment we just took our seats, then we clicked some selfies together, and then we attended the speech. And that day it was great experiencing as because our CM Hemanta Biswa Sharma visited at that auditorium, and it was a great experience. We also had sung the national anthem, and then we just left our seats and went. তারপর আমরা অনেক ফটোজও ক্লিক করেছি. ফটোজ ক্লিক করে and then we left that place and took our bus to home. These are few videos which I took at that moment. Hope you all enjoyed the video of my day, how I spent it, and thanks for watching. Bye.